Na Ramogi ka dhi mbele ni Jotend bad migao mar arita kwe ngire Kithure Kindiki kanyakla kod mano mar lweny Aden Duale kawuono chopo e nyim komiti mar od bura kendo chiwo ler e wi okang' mar chwalo jolweny mondo tim apedha ne jonjore nyandwat mar hoho mar okak.
Jotelo go omako chung' ni ne ok giketho chik ni mar ne gichwalo ote ne od bura wi okang'no.
Kata kamano jood bura to nyiso ichwang' margi wira ni migepe ariyogo chal mane ok oluwo chik madwarore ni od bura okuongo puodh okang' makamano kapok oor jolweny.
On the 13th of February, I have written to the Speaker of the National Assembly, and on the 17th of February, the National Assembly have replied, acknowledged to Defense Headquarters that they have received our communication, and they have transmitted to the chamber for tabling, and the letter is signed by one of our senior deputy clerks, Sarah Kyoko.
The problem, Honorable Chairs, we are facing in parts of this country, northern Kenya, amounts to terrorism. It has all the ingredients. If left unattended, the next stage of the mutation of this problem could be devastating for our national security.
You said that those who are not happy with you classifying as emergency to go to court. Luckily, the Constitution gives us the chance to talk to you, so we don't have to go to court. So I want to respectfully tell you that I don't agree with you.
Chair, for one, I'm shocked by the attitude or the attitudes of both the CSS, considering these are former members of parliament who held very high positions. Their attitude towards the oversight mandate of parliament, more so the National Assembly, has shocked me. But that is a debate for the other day. People go different places and they think otherwise.